Hello, lovely people. Good evening. I warmly welcome you to Case Scenery. On this channel, we teach and learn about how you can practice effective snail farming. So, kindly do us a favor by subscribing to our YouTube channel. You can click on the notification icon so that you will get notice of all our videos coming up next. It's about 6 o'clock here, and the snails are almost ready to come out to feed. So today I'm going to talk about how you can present your food in your snail pen to favor all of the snails to have access to the food. So you can see from my video that I have scattered the food nicely across the pen. But I did that in a way the snails will benefit from all the variety of food I have served today. If you look at this portion, you could see that I have three different meal. I have calcium supplement here. I have pawpaw fruits. I have watermelon fruits. I have vegetable, which is pawpaw leaves. So at this particular place, if a snail refuses to eat pawpaw leaf, it will have an option of eating the calcium feed, or the watermelon is also available. So you will see that the snails will never have an option of escaping the food. I placed the food in vantage points where it will be easy for the snails to have access to them. Then also I have water. Snails really like drinking water. So after putting or feeding your snails, you have to always remember that water also plays a major role in snail farming. So I have demarcated my snail pen into three. This side is a demarcation, where the water is also a demarcation. Then this place is also a demarcation. What I served at the left side is the same thing I served at the right side. And in the center too, I repeated same. At this place, you can see that I have a lot of mulching material. As compared to this, it is of few mulching material. Here too, you can also see I have a lot of mulching material. So a lot of snails are hiding this side. They are also hiding here. But for this place, I make it a neutral ground where they can have free movement. So in case they are traveling from one location to the other, they will find it easy. If they want to move from the left side here to the right side, it will be easy for them to move. And look at what I'm saying. You see, right now, one of the snail has found the calcium supplement, and it is eating right away. Others are sleeping, and small time they will all come out to feed on this particular feed. So if you think putting the feed at one side will help the snails or help you clean the pen so easily, it is a fine idea, but it is not helping the snails to find the food easily. So if you want to feed your snails, this is one of the best way you can use to feed your snails. Ha. Before I presented the food to them, I just sprinkled some water on their mulching material to keep them cool, and this is what they like most. So kindly follow suit. If you are a snail farmer, this is going to help you to reduce the mortality rate, because each of the snails are going to have a taste of every food, which is going to also serve as a balanced diet. So my cherished viewers, if you are a snail farmer, please, you can also practice what I'm talking about, and you can testify to me in the comment section if you find it helpful. Thank you very much, and we'll come your way with another useful video. Remember to subscribe, click on the notification icon, and share your comments.